Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm coming to you with the CVS haul for the week of September 23rd. And I did 3 separate transactions. This is like my 3rd time doing this video here, but we're gonna keep it moving. Okay, I had three separate transactions, 2 on one card and 1 on the other. And I came out with some good money makers, and the best thing was this Aveeno that I did. Because I had a 40% off of Aveeno, and I had a 3 off of 15 CRT. Plus, we have those Aveeno coupons that's out. So I use a 5 off of 2 and then a 2 off of 1. So at my store, these are $8.49. I got 3 of them because the promo is buy 3, get an $8 ECB. So $8.49 times 3. I used the 5 off of 2 manufactured coupon. I use a 2 off of 1 manufactured coupon. I use the 3 off of 15 facial care CRT, and I also use a 40% off of Aveeno. I paid cash out of pocket because when you use ECBs with the percentage drops dramatically. So I used cash out of his. I paid $9.28 plus tax, but I got back a $8 ECB, making like 43 cents a piece, you guys. This was a good deal. So if you guys have at least the 3 off of 15 and that 40, go ahead and use that and you'll be good. We have those manufactured coupons, so don't forget to do that. You'll be paying $9.28 if your store has the same price as $8.49. So that was a good deal right there, and that does go towards beauty. Secondly, I did the Colgate deal. So with the Colgate deal, is they on sale for $3.49. The toothpaste is on sale for $3.49. When you buy one, you get a $2 ECB, limit of 2. I bought 3 of them. Because I had a 3 off of 3 Colgate toothpaste mouthwash CRT. I also had a 1 off of 3 Colgate CRT, and I had 75 cents off of 1 toothpaste. So with all that being said, I paid $4.22 out of pocket, but I got back a $4 ECB, making it 7 cents a piece. I also did the mouthwash. On the 1 liters are $5.99 this week. When you buy one, you get a $2 ECB. So I used, I had a 2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT. I also had a $1 off of 1 manufactured coupon. So they brought it down to $2.99, but I got back a $2 ECB, making it 99 cents. Also, I did the Physicians Formula. That is spend 15, get a $10 ECB. At my store, these liquid lipsticks are $8.19. I used a 4 off of 15 CRT. I also used a 3 off of 1 manufactured coupon. So they brought it down to $6.38. But I got back a $10 ECB, making it $3.62 a moneymaker. I threw in the Pons because my CRT was expiring today. I had a 3 off of 1 CRT. My coupons did not come in time for me to use that coupon also, but the 5 off of 40 substituted for it, so I just threw that in. At my store, these are $5.99. The cleansers, I used the 3 off of 1 Pond's facial, brought it down to $2.99. And then I put in a filler item here, which is the Reese's Singles. These are $1.99. When you buy one, you get a $1 ECB back. I did use the 75 cents off of Pilly, so it made it $1.13 out of pocket, but I got back a $1 ECB, making it 13 cents. So all together with the Reese's, Physicians, the Pond's, the toothpaste, and the mouthwash, it came to $40.71. I used the 5 off of 40 CRT. I also had $22 in manufactured coupons and CRTs. So my subtotal was $13.71. I used $13 in ECBs, making it 71 cents plus tax. So I paid $3.06 for all those items. And here is my receipt right there. Okay. And I got 1 for the Reese's Singles, 2 for the mouthwash, 4 for the toothpaste, and 10 for the Physicians Formula. So I used $13 in ECBs, and I got $17 back. So that was a money maker right there. The last transaction was the candy deal that I'm like super excited about. Because if you have the CRTs that I have, then you will be getting some free candy. So my last transaction was the Twix candy, another Colgate mouthwash, and the Revlon that I messed up on. So the Twix candy is 3 for $9. I have a 3 off of 3 Mars candy CRT that we had last week. I also had a 2 off of 7 Twix, Milky Way, and Snickers CRT. And I also had a 1 off of 2 manufactured coupons. So that brought it down to $3. But when you buy those 3, you get a $3 ECB. So that becomes free right there, you guys. I also did another Colgate mouthwash. It's $5.99 on sale. When you buy one, you get a $2 ECB. I had a 2 off of 6 CRT for mouthwash, and I also had a $1 coupon. So it brought down to $2.99, but you get back a $2 ECB, making it 99 cents. And then the Revlon is spend 12, get a $4 ECB. I misread the tag. I thought it was $5.99. But these are actually $4.79. And yeah, if I got one more, it would have been, I would have got the if I had one more, it would have been $14.37 minus $2 off of 1 coupons minus that 4. It would have been $4.37, but I got back a $4 ECB, making it 37 cents. But I thought these was $5.99 a piece. Looking at the tag, I used 2 of the 2 off of 1 coupons plus that 4 off of 1 Revlon. It was $5.98 out of pocket for that. But I got back a $4 ECB. I'm sorry, but I'm not going to get back the ECB because I didn't hit the threshold. So I do have to go back again. I will be going back and getting one more, and then another Physicians Formula, because this is on a different card. So I'll be getting I'll be going back to do that. Plus I have a 4 for 15 CRT again that printed. But anywho, all of this was $7.57. I used $6 in ECB, so my subtotal was $1.57 plus tax. I paid $2.48. And here is that. Okay, and I got back a 3 for the candy and 2 for the mouthwash. So I lost the ECB that transaction, but it's okay. It's basically just paying for my candy, basically. All right, so there you go. I will be going back, like I said, later this week to go ahead and do another Revlon and a Physicians Formula. That way I can get the Physicians Formula ECB and another Revlon. I'll be getting 14 back and only be paying $9. I calculated it already. Alright. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any comments, concerns, please leave them down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.